Welcome to Crazy Sc.
And today, for our first episode, we put cardboard on top of our C car to make it do wheelies. Alright, so...
I need to trim it. Wait, are you starting it? Did you start it? Alright, looks good, baby. Let's go. It flew! Okay guys, it flew. Now let's see if it goes on the jump. It like flies up there. Here we go.
You missed.
It's so hard to get it on.
Yeah.
I have to like go slow and start. Let's try that again. I'm not even putting any gas on you.
The back end went completely off. Okay.
We'll show you how we made it now, Chris.
Alright. Yep, as no.
Yeah.
Alright, so first of all, one thing that we did do that you should do at home, put duct tape on. We used Scotch tape. So that was the last thing that we had. Yep.
Okay, so.
Alright. So first, we just used like one top of a pizza box for all this cardboard. And so, first thing we did, we just cut out a piece that would go all the way across. It's probably close to like 1.5 feet to 2 feet if you have a small car like this.
Like 118.
Try and do it like almost 2 lengths of the car wide. And then, so after that, just make sure it's not going to be all flappy. Make sure the wings aren't going to flap all over the place.
We put a stick because that's like.
Because that'll keep it down. It'll be really firm and it's light. So
yeah, and before when we were like doing the car,
the wings
would go like up, and they'd both flap up.
Yeah, so
and
it
wouldn't do wheelies.
Yeah, it wouldn't be really easy. And then so second thing to do is if you look at this in the back right here, there is these pieces right here. And so these are kind of important to make sure that the air won't just go under it and escape, so it won't push up on this. Because all of this air is going to get trapped down here, and that's what's going to be it's just going to be like forcing it up. And so you got all the airflow being trapped down there, which will make it push up. And then if you have good speed, good car, and light enough car, and then it'll make it go up, it kind of just like hops, because once it goes up, all that air is gonna like escape out, and then it'll go back down, but then all the air gets trapped again, and so it's just constantly like that. So yeah. All right.